Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Hash Stashbox is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to keep their herbs fresh and their space organized, offering a discreet and stylish solution that blends seamlessly into any environment. This innovative product is designed not just for storage but for preservation, ensuring that the quality and aroma of your contents remain intact, making it a must-have for connoisseurs and casual users alike who value discretion and durability in their accessories. Number 5. Subtle Rolling Tray Stash Box, Large Bamboo Organizer. Tired of scattered accessories? This box offers generous space to keep everything you need neatly organized in one place. Its thoughtful design ensures all your items are stored discreetly. Enjoy ultimate versatility with a lid that does more. It easily transforms into a convenient rolling surface, keeping your items contained with its clever groove design. It functions perfectly as both a stash box and a rolling tray. Keep your belongings tidy with the included removable divider. Customize the interior by creating 2 separate compartments or remove it entirely for even more storage space. Organization has never been this easy. Our design features a secure magnetic seal, ensuring the lid stays closed when you need it to. Yet, it opens effortlessly, providing quick and easy access to your stored items. Crafted from durable and sustainable bamboo, this box is built to last. Its discreet design helps resist odors, making it a perfect, private storage solution. It's an ideal gift for anyone who appreciates herbal accessories. What we like. This one offers ample storage and a unique convertible rolling tray lid, making organization a breeze. If you're looking for a discreet and versatile solution to keep all your herb accessories in one place, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who value convenience and a tidy setup. What people say. The smell proof is amazing, it really works. The lock is sturdy and keeps my stuff safe. It's a good size for my needs, not too big or too small. Number 4. HOVANZO Premium Bamboo Storage Box with Combination Lock. Discover our latest storage bamboo box set, complete with a combination lock and accessories. It includes UV glass jars, a wood rolling tray, and fun stickers, offering organized and secure storage with a stylish external lock. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty wood, this box is built to last. Its natural bamboo construction ensures durability and helps keep contents fresh and odors contained. Enjoy a versatile storage solution with its unique removable tray. Easily customize the layout to fit various items, making organization simple and adaptable. Secure your belongings with the user-friendly combination lock. Setting your personal code is a breeze, offering a straightforward and well-designed security experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This box set is perfect for any occasion. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month replacement service and dedicated US-based customer support. What we like. This option stands out with its built-in combination lock, offering enhanced security for your valuables. If you need a secure and stylish way to store your herbs and accessories, especially if you're concerned about privacy or have curious housemates, this is the one to consider. It's also a great gift idea. What people say. Well made and comes as advertised. Lots of storage and good solid lock. Product was also well packaged within the box. The stash box is pretty sturdy, seals surprisingly well, and is overall great quality. This is a great quality wooden box. It can hold concentrates, flour, pens, cones, grinder, and everything you could need for a stash storage container that can also be used for travel. The finish on the wood is nice and smooth. Number 3. OZCHIN Smell-Proof Bag with Combination Lock. Experience superior odor control with our advanced carbon lining. It effectively traps and neutralizes unwanted smells, keeping your items discreet and fresh. Keep your belongings safe with our robust combination lock. This user-friendly mechanism ensures peace of mind, whether you're traveling or using it daily. Crafted from high-quality materials, this bag is built to last. Its resilient design and compact size make it perfect for carrying your essentials anywhere. Stay organized with its smart, multi-compartment interior. Keep your smoking accessories, herbs, or medicines neatly separated and easily accessible. This premium scent-proof case is easy to maintain and incredibly versatile. It makes an excellent and discreet gift for Father's Day or any special occasion. What we like. For ultimate odor control and security on the go, this bag is your best bet. Its advanced carbon lining and combination lock ensure discretion and safety wherever you travel. If you're frequently on the move or need a reliable, smell-proof container for your essentials, this is an excellent and practical choice. What people say. The size is perfect for storing broccoli and is definitely scent-proof. Design is really nice with a lot of places to store stuff. The bag seems very durable and has the right amount of padding to keep glass objects from breaking if accidentally dropped. The zipper works as intended and definitely helps ensure there is no smell coming from the bag. Easy to transport with the handle and the over-the-shoulder strap. It's actually smell-proof. Durable zipper with locks. Plenty of storage with dividers. The bag has a lunchbox design which makes it travel an ease. Number 2. Black Bamboo Storage Box Set. Discover the elegance of this storage box, meticulously crafted from high-quality bamboo. Its sleek, double-varnished finish not only ensures durability but also enhances any home decor with its timeless design. Effortlessly organize your personal items with its customizable compartments and adjustable dividers. Keep your jewelry, keepsakes, or collectibles securely in place with a snug and adaptable fit. Protect your valuables with a practical and discreet solution. This chest offers a lockable latch mechanism, providing privacy and security for your most cherished items. Embrace sustainability without compromising on style. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, this box is a lasting and elegant alternative to plastic storage, beautifully enhancing your home's aesthetic. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This decorative storage chest blends functionality with beauty, making it a versatile and stylish present for any occasion, from weddings to housewarmings. We are committed to your satisfaction with this product. Our dedicated support team is available to assist with any inquiries, ensuring you can purchase with confidence. What we like. This box combines elegant home decor with practical storage and a unique sound-absorbing feature. If you're looking for a stylish piece that also keeps your items secure and discreet, while potentially minimizing noise, this is a beautiful and functional option. It's perfect for those who appreciate aesthetics and quiet. What people say. The stash box is well made and sturdy. It has a good seal that keeps odors contained. The included accessories are a nice bonus. Number 1. MustStash Storage Box. Crafted from ethically sourced bamboo, this box offers durable construction. It features stainless steel latches, ensuring your belongings are securely stored. Keep your contents fresh and odor-free with the included 3.4 ounces jars. Their UV glass design and bamboo lids provide excellent protection and discretion. Ensure your privacy with the customizable combination lock. It provides secure access, giving you peace of mind. Stay organized with the integrated rolling tray and storage tube. These accessories are designed to keep your rolling supplies neatly arranged. Measuring 10 by 7 by 4 inches, it's designed for easy portability. Customizable compartments allow you to store all your essentials just the way you like. What we like. This kit is designed for the complete rolling experience, featuring smell-proof jars and a rolling tray. If you're a rolling enthusiast who values freshness, odor control, and having all your supplies neatly organized in one portable unit, this is the ideal choice for you. It simplifies preparation and storage. What people say. Great stash box with a lock. Looks good and functional. This is such a great size and I love the compartments. Keeps everything tidy. No grinder, but you can order a fun one and there's a spot for it. It's fun to decorate with stickers inside and out for some whimsy. I looked at a lot of these and this one is much smaller in profile and depth, nice for small hobbyists, and the compartments keep stuff from rolling around inside. Well crafted and comes with all the parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.